Alright, we're out here in Corunna, New Lothrop area today. We're doing a new laundry setup. So this setup was pretty bad. The washer outlet was connected to multiple different outlets down the way. None of them were installed properly. We had hot, neutral, reverses in those. Completely gutted all that. We got this one done. Kind of a funky setup because we had to offset with this half wall. The dryer setup was almost even worse. The conduit they had was a 3/4 inch CPVC, so these water lines, that's what they had it in. Water and electricity do not mix good. They had exposed wires all the way back to the panel, so we're completely redoing that. Kind of the reason we want to show you this today is we're doing a ton of these dryer circuits. So all the old ones, pre-96 was 3-wire, so you get a hot, your ground and neutral were combined into one. Now we're doing 4-wire, so we have hot, neutral, ground. We're doing a ton of these with the new codes having exterior disconnects. Whenever we're replacing a panel, meter socket, any of those types of things, the inspectors are making us rerun these because now all our grounds and neutrals are separated in the house. So a couple things we're going to be doing. We're going to be bending some conduit. We got a little chunk of 3/4 here. We got our 3/4 inch bender. We'll show you that. We're mounting everything on the concrete wall. We have our SDS drill. How we operate, we'll show you this. This is one of our trays down here. So we have trays built on every different type of conduit we use. So this is going to be EMT. So we have all our 1/2 inch and 3/4 of them. We have our connectors. You'll see this is a bang on bushings that goes on the top to protect the wires. We got our straps, our compression style stuff. So that's everything that's going to be in this video. Stay tuned and watch that. So what we're doing with the bender is our box. We have this little spot back here. So we need an offset into the box. So that's all that was. These conduit benders, you can get some pretty crazy bends out of them. This one, we have a little box offset off to a 45 up here to give us like a 4-inch offset to get where we can actually mount stuff on this brick. So that's all that was doing. Alright, so over here, we have all 4 of these, all nice and tight. Here, we got our ground screw, our new GFCI cover. We'll get this all buttoned up and show you what it looks like on the finish. So back to how we were talking about the 4-wire instead of 3 wires. So you can see we have our new 4 wires coming in. In here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terminals. You see this white wire, so the neutral is literally bonded to the housing, which isn't right. That's how the things used to be done. Now with ground, we're gonna have this ground wire right back to here, and it's a safety wire straight back to the panel. So this housing, if electricity ever gets on this housing as a way to get out to the panel, trip the breaker so it doesn't affect you guys. So we're gonna take this neutral wire and put it right back on the neutral bar with this neutral, and we have our hot, and again our ground goes up here. All right, we're all finished up over here. New GFCI outlet, green light, good to go. New dryer outlet, 4-prong cord, got the ductwork taped back up, so she's all good to go.